In this video, you'll learn how to fix the media offline error in Premiere Pro. The reason why you may get this issue is because your files may have been renamed, deleted, or they have simply been moved to a different location on your computer. If your clip has been relocated, start by opening the Link Media tab and click on your missing file. Then click on Locate and find where your clip has been moved to. Once you've located your missing file, hit OK, and this should get rid of the media offline error. If you have previously renamed your clip, type in the new name in the search bar and relink it the same way. If your file got deleted, make sure you restore it from the trash bin and relink your clip. Lastly, if you have a lot of missing files located in the same folder, make sure to check the Relink Others automatically box. This will save you from having to relink each clip individually.